Hi, I'm Sue Thornborough and we're going to look at how you make a Bargello quilt. Bargello quilts come in lots of different types. The one behind me here is just a simple straight Bargello made absolutely beautiful by the use of Japanese fabrics. The one I'm going to demonstrate is just made with planes and mixers. Because that's what I had in my stash. So this chart is quite a simple, small chart. Some of the more complex Bargellos will have much more complicated charts. And when they're like that, when they're very complicated, what I do is I put two pieces of paper so that I'm only looking at the one column and I don't get mixed up with things next to it.